Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Hankotrade to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now, by default, you will be shown this type of home page in front of you. So here, click on the option of search on the top, then simply click on the option of symbols. Over here, you can either click on any of the tabs available like futures, forex, cryptos, and then you can click on the option of launch chart right next to any of the pairs available here. So after clicking on the launch chart option, the chart will be opened in front of you. So it really doesn't matter whether it is a gold chart or any forex pair chart or any crypto chart. All we want is we need to come here on this chart analysis page. Now here click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers. From this particular list, you just have to look for Hankotrade's icon. I recommend you to use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can type Hankotrade over here. Now if you see the Hankotrade icon here on this particular page, it is well and good. You just have to click on this and then simply click on the option of connect. In order to connect your Hankotrade account with it, you need to provide your login credentials and authenticate TradingView. But as you can see, Hankotrade option is not available here. This simply means that you can't actually connect your TradingView account with Hankotrade. So in this particular scenario, what you can do is you can simply open Hankotrade in a new tab. After that, you can log in here with the help of your login credentials. Then you can open the chart of, let's say, a gold here. So after opening the chart, you just have to start analyzing it. After the analysis, you can basically use the long short tool here, and then as per your analysis, you can punch the orders here in your Hankotrade account. So that's the only way for you using Hankotrade and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.